why aren't we talking more about the invisible invaders in our greenhouses? Or, are you tired of watching your hard work go to waste due to thrips? If you've noticed silver streaks and stippled leaves among your plants, you're likely dealing with thrips, those tiny pests that can wreak havoc in a greenhouse. But fear not. Let's dive into some cultural control methods that can help you gain the upper hand. First things first, cleanliness is your best defense. Maintaining a pristine greenhouse environment is crucial. Regularly remove any weeds or plant debris, the perfect hiding spots for thrips. This simple step can significantly reduce their population and prevent future infestations. Next up, let's talk crop rotation. It's not just about nutrients. Rotating your crops can also disrupt the life cycle of thrips. Avoid planting new crops near infested areas. This can stop the spread and give your plants a fighting chance. Implementing these practices can help create an unfavorable environment for thrips, promoting healthier and more robust crops. Remember, consistency is key to keeping those invaders at bay. And hey, if you found this helpful, why not share it with a friend? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more practical tips to keep your greenhouses thriving. Thanks for watching and happy farming.